Europe has started on a major energy and raw materials transition, and the Netherlands intends to make a solid contribution. But at the pace we're going, we'll not be able to meet our targets on time. We can do something about this. This is the Rotterdam-Moerdijk industrial area. Nearly 3 times our country's total power requirements flows through this area. In addition to energy, Rotterdam-Moerdijk also supplies raw materials and products to clients across Europe. Any increase in sustainability here will have a huge green ripple effect. The plan for the Rotterdam-Moerdijk industrial cluster includes various concrete steps towards sustainability, as well as intermediate steps we need to take to achieve our climate goals in the short term. Steps that allow industry and production to continue running. We're working hard to cut carbon emissions by taking measures that improve energy efficiency and switching to electric power and hydrogen. And where the latter isn't an option, from 2024 on, we'll be able to capture carbon emissions and store them in offshore gas reservoirs. In the longer term, this CCS process could be integrated with circular processes that reuse the captured carbon, the production of synthetic fuels, for example. The next few years will also bring changes to the area's infrastructure. This includes new networks for the transport of CO2, heat, green electricity, and hydrogen. These networks will support the industry in making the transition to renewable energy and sustainable raw materials. In cases where an industrial process cannot be effectively electrified, hydrogen presents an excellent alternative. We are already able to produce hydrogen in large volumes using residual gases from our refineries. This hydrogen can be used to generate heat for various industrial processes. Later on, when green electricity has become available on a large scale, renewable hydrogen can be used to replace fossil materials as a chemical feedstock. At the same time, we will be importing a growing volume of hydrogen to meet the demand in Northwest Europe. This is how we'll be raising the sustainability of our industrial cluster, step by step, as well as building our future economy. By utilizing residual flows and various renewable resources, Rotterdam-Moerdijk can establish itself as a fully circular cluster. This transition can definitely be achieved, and Rotterdam-Moerdijk is on the right track, although we still have a long way to go. Join us. By working together, we can become Europe's foremost supplier of renewable energy and sustainable materials and products.